Perfect with this hairstyle. Okay, let's go. So probably like over a month ago, I did a video on how to swim in your wig, and I never came back and updated you guys about what happened after I did that video. And it actually was the video where I sewed down my wig. So I wanted to do that in today's video and answer your questions, because I do apologize that I was not able to update like you guys wanted me to. So the video that I'm referring to, I will pop it out at the top of the screen right here. If you haven't seen it, you can definitely go check it out. Now, to be straight up with you guys, the reason why I didn't update as far as getting into the pool is because when I got to my Airbnb, the actual pool was not clean enough, which defeat the whole purpose of the Airbnb. So that's why I didn't actually do the swim test for you. Today, I just want to answer you guys' questions because I really do feel like that install is very secure. So before we get started, be sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Also, be sure to thumbs up the video before you leave today's video, and stay to the end if you want more information on this wig install. The link for this wig will be below in the description box, and all the products that I use will be linked in my Amazon storefront below in the description box. I think today I'm going to use the Bold Hold Lace Jelly. Someone asked, how long did the install last and how do you moisturize your scalp? So basically with the sew-in install, it can last as long as a sew-in. If you were to do a sew-in with weft hair, depending on when you want to take it off. For me personally, mine only lasted for my vacation time because I just wanted to sew it down so that I would be able to get into the water and don't have to worry about, you know, my wig actually coming off my head or the glue coming up. So I wanted a very secure way to wear my wig without the worry. Now, as far as moisturizing your scalp, basically we'll do that prior to actually installing your wig if you're planning on sewing it down for a long time. I do have a full review on this product. I've tried it out before. I just haven't really picked it back up. It's working out today. Have you seen my previous video? Did you give it a thumbs up? If not, go to that video, give it a like for me. That would be much appreciated. Next question says, I'm wondering about the tracks on the wigs when it's submerged in water. Will it be obvious? No. Anytime I've gotten into water, unless your wig just is a really thin density, that doesn't happen. You don't see the tracks when you get into water. And if you are concerned about that, then you can definitely go with the full lace wig that doesn't have any wefting at all. This person also says, do you recommend a particular wig type for swimming? Okay, I just answered that. How about human hair or synthetic? I would not recommend swimming in synthetic wigs. Like, unless they actually have created one that can handle that chlorine or salt water, I wouldn't recommend. So definitely human hair wigs, that's all I stick to. So the biggest question from that video was, will it hold in the pool? Absolutely. It's just like if you were to go get a sew-in and you was to jump into a pool, your tracks wouldn't be left in the pool or in the ocean or wherever you're going swimming at. So yes, it's very secure. When you sew your wig down, it's better than gluing it down if you plan on doing water activities. That's just my opinion. You guys can try it out, and I would love to hear if you guys actually tried it out and leave your updates so that other people can know how it worked out for you. Someone says, how on earth do you remove the thread by yourself? So if you actually watched the video, I talked about this in the video. I told you all that when I sewed the wig down, I leave strings from the thread so I can know exactly where the thread is, and it makes it very easy to remove. Will this work on an expensive full lace wig without ripping it? So a lot of times if you rip your wig, it's because you wasn't being delicate enough with what you're doing. It will create probably little holes that are very unnoticeable if you do it correctly. But as far as ripping the lace, no, you would literally have to snatch your wig trying to remove it. So I would recommend to create a little ball, definitely noticeable, or using a thread that may have color to it. In my last video, I used just water and a moisturizer, a hair moisturizer, to define the waves. With this wig, I'm going to mix a little bit of my leave-in conditioner, and this is the Shea Moisture silicone free miracle leave-in. I'm going to put that, a little bit of that into the water like so. It smells really good too. Shake it up. Bob wigs are definitely great for summer. I feel like they offer carefree style And if it's curly, when it's really hot outside, to have wet hair or damp hair, it just feels so much better, and you don't have to worry about curling the hair. I'm going to use the Mayo Pomegranate Coil Sculpting Custard. Smells amazing, and it'll just, oh, slime basically. It's basically very slimy. It also helps with detangling the hair, so that's why I like it, and it smells amazing. It also holds the curls really good without that crunchy feeling. Again, I apologize that I wasn't able to update, you know, as fast as you all wanted me to. Life happens, a lot of things, and yeah. Oh, I didn't get to say this, but this wig is a reinstall, and it's just been sitting, and I absolutely love it. I'm glad I found it. Like, I have a drawer full of wigs, and I just happened to see this one, and I was like, it's perfect for summer. So I'm going in sections this time. Last time when I did the red curly wig, I didn't go in sections. Compared to that wig, this hair is more spirals. It's definitely like, I think on the website it says that this wig is a kinky curly. I mean, it does give that, but it's not like kinky. It's almost like a 3C hair texture, especially when you define the curls or you know, keep them like this. But then, like, as you can see, if the hair is dry, it looks more, I guess this is what they consider kinky. You can get almost 2 looks in one with this particular wig. Now remember, if you all have any style requests that you would like to see, please drop a comment below what wig styles you would like to see in upcoming videos. This product, you guys, I told you how I feel about my hands and them being sticky. This wig doesn't shed too much, so that's a good thing. Oh, this product smells so good. Like, oh my god, it smells so good. Just love this. Don't forget to use your brush. If you like more of a spiral look, use your brush like this and rake it through the hair, and it's going to create those spirals for you. If you are following me on Instagram, you can probably see that on my story I posted like next day hair with the previous wig, and it almost had a similar curl pattern to this wig. Let me see. Let me take a look. But I think with that wig, it didn't have highlights. This wig actually have beautiful highlights. So yeah, that one was just like a number 2 hair color. And this one has like really pretty blonde highlights. You guys, I love my blonde highlights. I understand that you guys want to see me switch up sometimes, and I do. I have so many videos on my channel with different hair colors, different styles. Like I said, if you guys want me to share a specific style, definitely you can drop comments below and let me know. Otherwise, I kind of just go with what I like. But overall, like, this wig gets better and better. Curl pattern get better and better throughout the day with the routine that I just showed you guys. So if you are looking for a good routine, you do not need to refresh your curls the next day. Definitely do the steps that I shared in today's video. I swear I work out a lot, and I don't have time to do my hair. So if I'm wearing a curly style like this, I don't want to have to keep washing the hair and recurling. And with the products that I use and the way I maintain the wig, as far as if I take it off at night or if I keep it on, the curls just get better and better by the day. So right now they're very defined, have that wet look. By tomorrow this hair will probably be a bit bigger but more spirals. But yeah, I love it a lot. And my dress, I feel like this dress that I'm wearing is actually perfect with this hairstyle. I already shared with you guys this dress. Check out my I think I did a dress haul or something like that. I'll pop it out right here, so if you want the details for this dress, definitely watch that video. I'm just going to take some of the lace putty. It has a similar texture. Well, it's a little bit more stiff, but jelly like. But I was gonna say it has a similar texture to the Mayo. Smells, all these products smell so good. So if you're using any of these products, you're gonna be smelling amazing. But I'm just going to use this to kind of correct the edges that are stuck down. And also this gives a little bit of hold, so that's great. I do plan on wearing this style for the next couple of days, even though you guys may see like videos of me changing wigs. The only thing I don't like about the bow hold, the lace jelly, it takes a long time for it to dry. So you have to have a little bit of skill when using that product. Otherwise, you're going to get frustrated because your lace is just going to keep lifting and lifting. FYI, I am very happy with this install. I am so glad I found this wig. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. So natural. I love this wig a lot. Alright, and let me show you guys the back right quick. And you can see the highlights going through it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Everything will be linked below in the description box, the link to this wig and also a discount, and I will also put all the products I use on my Amazon storefront. Be sure to check that link, and I will see you guys back in my next video. Give a thumbs up.